welcome to this channel. My name is Muyiwa Kolawole, and today I'm going to be talking about digital marketing. Just as you know, we are now in the digital age whereby almost everything is done online, buy food online, talk to people online, like do financial transactions online, and so much more. So the same thing also happens to marketing. You see, I think before in those days, how people do marketing is just that they go to TV stations, they go to radio houses to talk about their products, to talk about whatever they want to do so that people can get to hear about it and all. But times have changed and things have actually like take the other turn in the sense that these days people don't much advertisements are not being done through those channels again. They are not being done through the digital means, through the internet. And the reason is because wherever the people are is where the adverts are being done. And these days people are more on their phone. They are more on their phone, they are more on digital platforms than they are more on TV, that they are more on listening to radios. So to start with, I'm going to be explaining, I'm going to be defining what digital marketing is. So digital marketing is simply promoting of products and services using electronic devices or internet. So digital marketing is just simply promoting of goods and services through internet or through electronic devices. So as far as what you are doing is telling people about what you sell, what you produce online, that can actually be referred to as digital marketing. So when it comes to digital marketing can actually be divided into different subgroup or subclass based on how it's being done. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is SEO optimization, which is also known as search engine optimization. So in search engine optimization, if you've ever typed maybe shoes in Lagos on Google and you see a lot of information coming up, is as a result of the fact that some people has actually like put something online with that particular keyword in which you're actually searching for. So what companies that want to sell via the search engine optimization channel do is just that when they build a website, they actually look for keywords that people are going to be typing on Google in search for that particular product, and they optimize their website in such a way that when people are looking for that particular product and they type that particular name or phrase on Google, what it's going to bring out is actually the product that is on their website. So search engine optimization involves you optimizing your page, either your website or your mobile apps, to be able to appear on Google whenever people are actually in need of whatever you are selling. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is pay-per-click advertising. So when we talk about pay-per-click advertising, it's more like the paid version of the search engine optimization. In search engine, you get to rank, you get to show up organically, but in pay-per-click advertising, you will have to pay Google that Google, I want to be known, or I want my website to come up, or I want this particular thing I have on my website to actually come up whenever people search for this particular phrase. Let's say, for example, that I sell sneakers and I'm based in Lagos. So I can actually do an advert on sneakers in Lagos, and I'm going to do what? Pay Google to actually help me to like optimize for this. So whenever people search for this, okay, maybe someone wants to buy a sneakers and the person is in Lagos and the person just typed sneakers in Lagos, my website is what, or my page is what is going to like, is what Google is actually going to show to this person. And the moment the person clicks on it to go to my website or to my landing page to actually check out this product, Google is actually going to deduct money from me. Like I am going to be paying Google for that particular click, and that is why it is called pay per click. So I optimize my platform. I tell Google, okay, help me rank for this particular keyword. and each and every time I rank for this particular keyword and someone clicks on it, I get to pay Google for that particular lead. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is social media marketing. So social media marketing involves like everything that is done on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn in everything that is done on this platform in a bid to promote a particular product or business, or to drive awareness, or to build a community. So social media marketing is also one of the subsets of data marketing, and it involves everything you see online, whereby you see a vendor on Instagram talking about his product, you see another person on Facebook doing the same thing, you see someone on Twitter, you see someone on Snapchat, everywhere talking about using the social media platform to actually talk about their product, to drive awareness for their product, and to bring in people to actually buy whatever they are saying. So selling. So all these are what? All these are known as social media marketing. So the next one is content marketing. So when you talk about content marketing is more like the backbone of digital marketing. Why? Because you can't actually market anything without content. So content can be in different forms. It can be blog post, it can be video, it can be podcast, it can be infographics. So content is just like anything you do, or the means through which you actually communicate what you do. So you can communicate what you do via written text, which is known as scripts. You can communicate what you do either via video, which is, you can communicate what you do either using graphics as well. So content marketing is more like the backbone of digital marketing. So it's more like you creating, like writing, doing a write-up about what you sell, and either publishing the write-up directly on social media platform, or using the write-up to create video, or using the write-up to create email newsletter, or using the write-up to create blog post or podcast or infographics for people to actually know and see what you actually sell. So the next one is email marketing. So email marketing involves the use of emails to actually market or advertise your products to people. So I'm sure there are times in which you just wake up, you see Kunga in your email, you see Wakana in your email. So what they are doing is email marketing. So in email marketing, you have a number of people in which you have their emails, and by the virtue of the fact that you have their email, so what you just do is every now and then you create email content and you forward it to, and you broadcast it to people that are actually in your email list. So that is how email marketing works. So the last one I'm going to be talking about is analytics and data. So it's also a part of data marketing, and it's very important. Why? Because whatever you can't be able to measure, you can't be able to like improve on. So by the time you start doing your data marketing, maybe you start doing your campaigns online, you start doing pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, you need to be able to know, okay, how many people are actually seeing what I'm advertising, how many people are actually like taking action that I want them to take, what is the amount of sales I'm making, what is the amount of money I'm spending, and am I getting ROI on the things I'm doing. So this is the essence of analytics. It helps you to know that, okay, am I on the right path? Am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the wrong thing? Are people actually seeing what I'm doing? Are they engaging with me? So this is what analytics actually helps you to do. So whether you are optimizing your website with SEO, or you are running PPC ad, or you are doing social media campaign rather, or what you are doing is just content, or you are just doing email, or you are just tracking with analytics, everything combined together is known as digital marketing. So, and this is more like an introduction to digital marketing. So it just like give you an idea of what digital marketing is all about. So this channel I'm going to be talking more about digital marketing and how you can use it to like improve or boost your business. Why? Because if you don't do marketing in your business, you can't have sales. No, if you don't do marketing, people can't get to know about you. If people don't get to know about you and what you sell, they can't patronize you. If people don't patronize you, you don't make money. If you don't make money, you are not in business at all. So I'm going to be talking more about digital marketing, and I believe that you are going to have learn a lot from this particular series. Thank you so much. My name still remains Muyiwa Kolawole. Thank you.